Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Shannah. This channel is a perfect blend between office and weekend fashion, but today we're not going to talk about either of that. We are going to get into perfumes, and not just any perfumes. I've broken my perfumes down into 4 categories: everyday perfume, hanging out with the girls perfume, date night perfume, and marry me perfume. So let's get into it. All right, so, and I have it written down because it's gonna help me to like explain. I can't just like tell everything off the top of my. Okay, so I have notes, just so you know. Let's get into the everyday signature scent. So there are 3 perfumes that I kind of rotate every day. The first perfume is Prada Candy. I would say that this is my go-to. Now, Prada came out with a few versions of Prada Candy. One, the pink bottle smelled a little bit more like baby powder, which I did like, but this I love. This is my office scent. This is my super knows I left the building because he smells this in the hallway scent. And quite a few people that I work with have went out and purchased this scent because they absolutely love it. Now, when looking for perfume, always make sure it says Eau de Perfume. And I know I probably butchered that because I'm not French and I don't speak French, but you get what I'm saying. If it says Eau de Perfume, that means that there are some sort of oils inside that will help the perfume last. So I don't have to spray a lot of this. 2 on the wrist, neck, maybe the back of the neck, and that is it. I don't go heavy on this. It does last. This is probably my 5th or 6th bottle of this. I absolutely love it. I would highly recommend this. This is a floral but not strong scent. So I love that kind of floral, and then sometimes I like a little bit of a musk, but not too heavy musk for the evening. But this is like a floral scent that I can wear. That's a adult floral scent, if it makes sense. Next up, as far as like everyday scents, is Bon Bon by Viktor and Rolf. I love this scent too. This is a new bottle. I purchased this from Bloomingdale's. I'll put up a picture of the gift set because it did come with a few other things. And make sure you look for that when you're purchasing perfume, because usually you can get a bottle with a couple of little side things for the same price as a full bottle. So love this. This is also more of a floral kind of scent. Sweet, but not strong. Absolutely love it. Not strong. Next up, Flower Bomb. It's like when you hear perfumes in a song, you think, oh my God, everyone's gonna be wearing it. People don't really wear this perfume because I always get asked, what perfume are you wearing when I wear this? So I love Flower Bomb. I would say that Prada Candy and Flower Bomb are my top 2 most worn fragrances. This bottle is $165. This is probably the most expensive perfume. Nope, this is not. This is the second most expensive perfume that I have, but I absolutely love this. I would say this is probably my 7th or 8th bottle. Be very careful when purchasing perfume. I purchased a bottle from Sephora, sealed, got home, opened it up, and it was fake. The color was off, the label was twisted. I ended up having to go back to Sephora and return it. They took it back, just so you know. And they did say that people do that. They will purchase perfume in gift sets, switch out the perfumes, and then return the gift sets to Sephora. So if you purchase perfume from these department stores that have really good return policies, just make sure that you are getting authentic bottles of perfume. Now, my Burberry Black. I absolutely love this perfume. I love it so much. This is my 2nd bottle. I also got it as a gift for my birthday. So that's how much I love it. And people have begun at work to notice that I wear it so much because this gift was from my director, actually. So Burberry Black. This is spilling us into the next category because could be an everyday, but this also can be a night out with the girls. So absolutely love Burberry Black. Okay, nights out with the girls. This bottle alone is just amazing. I love the flower on top. This is Lola by Marc Jacobs. Love this perfume. This isn't an everyday perfume for me because it does smell good, but it is not an everyday scent, if that makes sense. And I hope you guys understand what I mean with the everyday versus this. Any scent that's like a slightly stronger scent, I never wear every day. I always like just usually trying to throw it in every once in a blue or wear it when I go out. So this is the only bottle I have of this. You'll see how much has been used. I don't know, that's not a symbol of how often I go out, but you see how much of it has been used. Love this, but it is a little bit stronger. Floral, but stronger. Next for out with the girls, Olympia by Paco Rabanne. This is not expensive. I think it's like maybe $60 or so, I believe. You see where I am in the bottle. This is my second one. I am a little bit confused because I had something, I think that was like Charlotte by Paco Rabanne, I think. And then I went and purchased this and I thought it was the same one, but I feel like the signature, I feel like the scent is a little bit off. And I don't know maybe if they changed it up or what, because the first bottle I purchased didn't look like this. But this does smell good. This is a really good going out with my girlfriends kind of perfume. And when going out, the thing is, when you go out with your friends, 2, 3, 4, everybody has on perfume. So you want to make sure that you get something that's not clashing with everyone else. Slightly strong, but I love to get something that has a little bit of a hint of like I don't know, if like an amber kind of smell, and that kind of separates me from the rest. I know I'm gonna butcher this. Issey Miyake, I think that's how you say it. Issey Miyake. Really, really love this. You see where I am in the bottle. This is my first bottle here, and this is how much I used of it. This is a going out perfume. This is not something that I wear every day. This is something that I wear when I, you know, go out with the girls. Even like a brunch or a dinner. Last for the going out, Vera Wang Princess. I don't remember if I got this as a gift or I bought this myself, but smells really good, and but not something I would wear every day. So I feel like, think of like steak, you know, you love it, but you can't eat it every day. This is how I feel with some of these perfumes. Absolutely love them, but I just can't wear them every day. So it's not knocking any perfume, it's just saying that it's not something that I can wear every day, if that makes sense. Okay, now we're into date night. Dior Addict. I love this scent. Love this scent. When you're going out on a date, you want to smell a little bit sweet, but you still want that like sensual smell where the oils are a little bit more heavier in the scent. And I feel like that's what Dior, and believe it or not, Burberry Black falls into that category a little bit too. That's why Burberry Black is like really good, because it's such a versatile like scent. Like you can wear it every day, you can wear it going out, and you can wear it on date night. I feel like it's a hidden gem. I don't see a lot of people talk about Burberry Black, but I absolutely love it. Dior Addict is also one of those where I don't see a lot of people talk about it, but I really do love it. It's something that men like because it's almost a unisex scent, but not really, if that makes sense. So, you know, sometimes with like Bath and Body candles, for example, if you light too many of them, it just smells like a candy shop. And men don't like that. This does not smell anything like a candy shop. Let's just put that there. And YSL Manifesto. You see where I am here. This is done. I have to purchase a new one. But I love, love, love this perfume. Oh my gosh. And this is a perfect date night perfume. Perfect. Oh my gosh, I love this. I have to buy this again. So same thing as Dior Addict. You want something that won't be like too sweet. You know what I mean? You want something that's edible, if that makes sense. Next, which a little bit mixed for me on where this could go, but Marc Jacobs Daisy. Marc Jacobs just loves their like tops, to be honest. I guess that's their signature thing. But Marc Jacobs Daisy, I love this, and this can kind of go in between going out with the girlfriends and date night. I think this is good and can go in both categories. Last for the date night, and this is really for the mature dater. That's what I want to say. This is Prada, and I'm not sure, I think the name of this is Amber. I'm not sure if that is the name, but I think it is Amber because that's all I see on the top. I got this bottle a long time ago. I use it once in a blue because this is really like a oldie but goodie kind of smell. Think of like a candles that's like a musk kind of amber candle. It's like an acquired smell. You know what I mean? Some people like it and some people don't. But when I think of this, I think of like wood, like a wood burning, cozy kind of smell. This is a very, very strong scent, but it is an amber. It's amber based. I don't even know if I did a good job of explaining that, but I hope so. Now, my 2 Marry Me perfumes, I'm actually out of. So I don't even have the bottle to show you. But I'm gonna tell you what it is. Number 1, Tom Ford Orchid. Love, love, love that. Like, I was on the bus one day and I had that perfume on, and I walked through the bus and I sat in the back of the bus, and this guy from the front, like maybe after like 2 stops or so, came to the back of the bus and he said, I have to ask you what you're wearing. I have to ask you. It smells so good that I couldn't even stay in my seat. I have to ask you what you're wearing. So that is Tom Ford Orchid. And my second, and that it's gonna be it. It's just gonna be 2. My second is Dior. Is it Miss Cherie or Dior? I'm gonna put a picture in, but a guy that I've known for 12 years still identifies that smell with me. Still identifies that smell with me. And he said he smelled someone on the street wearing it, and he was like, I know that perfume. Like, he can spot that perfume from a mile away. So do not sleep on those 2 perfumes. Definitely, if you are going perfume shopping, I'm gonna put everything in the description box below. These perfumes are all worth it. Do not sleep on any of them. If you like 1 or 2 of these scents, you will probably like all of them. When we like a scent, we kind of stay in that family. So if you like 1 or 2 of these scents, if you're familiar with them and you are interested in more perfumes, you will probably like the rest of them. So I encourage you to check them out. So I'm at my desk at work, and I cannot stop thinking about the Tom Ford Orchid and the Miss Dior. I cannot stop thinking about that. So much so that I'm going to go upstairs and buy them right now. I'm gonna go right upstairs and buy them. Watch me. So this is a sample or just a gift of whatever. I got Miss Dior, the Tom Ford Velvet Orchid, got it. And I got something new. Lady Million Empire. Yes, by Paco Rabanne. This smelled really good. This was 91. This was, I think, 128. And I think this was 160. I got a little discount, 20% off. So, all right, I'm set. I'm set. This is it for the year. I will not see any more perfume until probably first quarter, the end of the first quarter of 2021. Unless I see Manifesto. I did not see Manifesto. I wanted to get that, the YSL Manifesto, but they didn't have it, so I got the Paco Rabanne instead. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please leave a comment below with your favorite scent. I think we can definitely keep this going. I'm interested in finding more scents. So if you have like your favorite, and please put the actual category. If you have your marry me perfume, your date night perfume, your girls night perfume, and your everyday perfume, please put the category next to it so that way we know what to look for when. And follow me on Instagram, SimplyShannah, if you want to see me every day, because I am on Instagram every day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Happy holidays.